Hey, what's going on, everyone? Zach here with Rigid Inspections. Just wanting to show you guys what I look at. Well, one of the things I look at when I'm inspecting a toilet in the bathroom. I'm in a house I'm inspecting right now. One of the things that I'm looking for is clearance. So clearance around the toilet, just to make sure that people have proper room to stand in front of it, sit on it, and maneuver around it. So the clearance from like sidewall to the center of the toilet should be about 15 inches. Clearance in front of the toilet should be about 24 inches, and that's just so somebody can have room to stand in front of it, sit on it, what have you. So I wanted to show you guys this toilet. It's got proper sidewall clearance, but the clearance in front of it is not nearly enough. So check this out. So this toilet here does not have 24 inches of clearance in the front. I actually can't even stand over it properly because my back and butt are touching the sink. So in order for someone to use the restroom here standing up, they're gonna have to slide in here between the sink and the wall and aim a little bit cockeyed there just to use it. Now, as far as sitting on it goes, I haven't tried that, but I guess you can use the sink as like a headrest. I don't know. Definitely needs to be rearranged in here though.